dissolved oxygen RF sensor. This device is used to measure dissolved oxygen and temperature levels in water. It can be used for quality testing in rivers and aquaculture fish tanks on radio frequency transmission range of up to 6 kilometers using the LoRa mode. The dissolved oxygen RF sensor is used in conjunction with the RF Solutions RIoT-Hub. Users can monitor recorded data in real time on a smart device or PC via the internet anywhere in the world. Trigger levels can be set to activate a local RF receiver unit via preset time intervals.